This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. Today we're taking a look at this 12 by 18 inch flag. You can use this outdoors as well. So this is what it looks like. It's just a small little flag. Quality definitely seems to be very nice. Both the back and the tail of the flag are aligned. You have the brass grommets. This will determine long-term use. And the stars are embroidered. So both the stars and the stripes, you can see right in here. Here's the back side. Definitely very, very nice looking. So this would be great for a boat, ATV, dirt bike on the back of your truck, Jeep, SUV, at your house, by your pool, anywhere and everywhere. Very nice.